Sa kandinda ya kapitalay sa kabikiman. Rasa kanuni buat terasa tak ini binarsa holim no muni bingraka. Kali bikemuni. Enang unusang mo. Abili abitu ni nda bunulungan sa kuci.
Nasa. May di ko ba sa tumatang. Undangan ito na waktu ba.
Kandinda. Isa anda mesa kuci.
The senior officials of the Fiji Rugby Union, the coach of the Fiji Airways Fijian Men's Sevens team, and the development teams, Mr. Gareth Meva, Gareth, Sambulamak. The team manager, Mr. Chone Nirua, Kivni, our former representative, and I believe, one of the senior officials and a mentor to most of you young men who needs no introduction to you, Mr. Thomas Idam, Tom Nimolmak. The team captain, Paula, Rani Sinkula, Paula Tane. The role Alangangani Timi, the members of the team, the rest of the officials, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. A very good afternoon to you all. At the outset, let me acknowledge and thank Reverend Tingarea for the very short but yet inspirational presentation this afternoon. It is always a great pleasure for me to receive on behalf of government and the people of Fiji our champions, the Fiji Airways men's rugby team to the HSBC World Sevens Series for 2019-2020, and the development team to the Oktoberfest Sevens. Now, I'm very pleased to see some familiar faces, and even more pleased to see some new ones. You undoubtedly bring new talent that will form a formidable base or unit that contributes to our continued and world-renowned success in rugby, especially in the Sevens code. Congratulations to all of you for being selected to represent our beloved nation, for those in Fiji Airways men's sevens team and the development team. You're on the right track, no doubt, to make it into the national team. You've heard the good Reverend. Many are called, but you are the chosen ones. I also offer my belated congratulations to the men's sevens team for gallantly winning the HSBC World Rugby Sevens 2018-2019 series. I didn't get a chance to shake your hands individually after you returned, but please accept my belated congratulations on behalf of the nation. Gareth, well done. I hope you received our congratulatory messages as we kept sending across. Willie and the team, I'm sure you know. Now, as we enter into the new series as the #1 team, a team to beat, we should show the world that we have a lot more to offer in the sport. Not only do we have fresh talent, members of the development team, but we also have a renewed team approach and a proud and enviable legacy and reputation to uphold as the defending HSBC Series champions and, of course, the Olympic gold medalists and the world champions in the IRB Sevens code. You're the envy of a lot of rugby players around the world. Now, we can show the world that Fiji has always prided itself in facing new challenges and creating new opportunities. Now, we do not shy away from responsibility, and we remain relentlessly committed to doing our best as a team in everything that we do, whether it's on the sports field or in other sectors of the community. You are not alone in your efforts to make a mark for yourselves, your families, or your country. we are right behind you. To the development team, much is expected of you in Munich, Germany, at the Oktoberfest Sevens competition, the Oceania Sevens tournament, and other Sevens tournaments outside the HSBC Sevens Series. You've got a few games to play, so we wish you well for that. I think the weather in Europe is still warm enough for you. It's getting cold, so I hope you going to take some woolies with you. Now I'm informed that the team includes 3 under 20 players, very young. Well done. Now while these competitions are a stepping stone to further develop your skills and build depth in the national team, it's also an opportunity for you to represent our beloved country on the world stage for the first time. Now Fiji is no longer just a name or a dot on the global map. We may be small in physical landmass and population base, but we are giants when it comes to the world stage, whether it's in sports, entertainment, or politics. Fiji punches way above its weight in achievements, as you know. Now, we certainly did not accomplish our national achievements overnight. It was through a lot of commitment and hard work. Now, these accomplishments are results of a series of planning by your coaches, your officials, creative strategies and sacrifices on your part, you the players. Now in sports vocabulary, we have a workable and winning attitude. I'm confident that you have also mapped out your game plans, listened to your coaches, and that your training in these past weeks has prepared you well to do battle on the field of play. I thank your coach, Gareth Weber, your assistant coaches, your manager and officials for getting you, the team, ready physically, mentally, and I'm sure spiritually too. Now, spiritual messages like that have been shared by the good Reverend this afternoon should help strengthen you in your faith in God that we'll be praying for you too. So I acknowledge also the support and sacrifices made by your respective families and sponsors. Very important. You have the support of your families, your friends, and of course the nation. And I'd like to acknowledge and thank the sponsors for their support. Fijians all over the world excitedly look forward to another World Sevens Series. I'm sure the Blue Brigade will be following you with their flags and their pom-poms or whatever. Now, please play to the best of your abilities and be exemplary ambassadors for Fiji, both on and off the field. I've said this to the past teams over the last 2 weeks, those who have come before you, the Flying Fijians, the RFMF team, and the NRUA. Now, represent your country with passion and pride. Kemudian turang sampai tinggal mana nom iTatau, kemudian the row, naka. Sane mamas, as I told you, on the naka, then nanga. Be assured that our prayers and good wishes are with you always. May God bless you all and our beloved nation, Fiji, and thank you.